Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Gmail account to a Wix website so you can manage your professional correspondence, sync your software tutorial inquiries, and respond to your viewers directly from your Wix dashboard in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the Wix dashboard and settings. The first step is moving into the administrative hub where your external integrations are managed. In 2026, Wix has centralized all external links like Google and Microsoft into a dedicated communications area to make your workflow more efficient. Log in to your Wix dashboard. Move your cursor to the left sidebar, scroll down to the very bottom, and click on Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for the submenu labeled Communication Channels. To maintain a professional studio look, you want to respond to your clients without jumping between different browser tabs. By entering the Communication Channels menu, you are preparing to bridge your personal or business Gmail directly into your Wix site's back end. Next, find the Gmail integration option. Within the communication settings, you will see a list of available platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, and email. Look for the Gmail or email section in the list. You will see a button next to it that says Setup if it's your first time, or Manage if you are updating an existing link. Click that button. In 2026, Wix uses a candid OAuth 2.0 connection, which is a highly secure way for two professional platforms to talk to each other. Clicking Setup triggers the handshake that allows Wix to safely display your Gmail messages inside your inbox. Next, sign in and grant permissions to Google. Now you need to tell Google that it's okay for Wix to access your mail. This is where the technical sync actually happens. A Google sign-in window will pop up. Enter your Gmail address and password. Review the permission screen and click Allow. This typically grants Wix permission to read, compose, and send emails from your account. Data privacy is a top priority for software tutorials and market analysis creators. By granting these specific permissions, you are enabling the Reply feature within Wix, so when a viewer asks about your 2026 guides, you can answer them instantly using your professional Gmail handle. And that's pretty much it. To connect your Gmail in 2026, navigate to Settings and select Communication Channels from your Wix dashboard. Click Setup or Manage next to the Gmail icon, sign in to your Google account, and grant the necessary permissions. Configure your sync settings to keep your inbox organized, and finally, send a test email from your Wix inbox to ensure your professional communication is fully active. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.